Chatbots are your sales assistants. Today, we'll show you how to integrate chatbots with SendPulse CRM so they can automatically create and manage deals. Have you ever had to manually transfer information from a chat to a CRM? It's a routine task that takes up time and can lead to the loss of important inquiries. Now I'll demonstrate how to avoid this. So SendPulse chatbots have a direct integration with the CRM. They can automatically create new deals and update their status based on the user's dialogue. You can configure the channel you need in the chatbot section. Here you'll see a list of chatbots: Telegram, Viber, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and live chat. Click on the messenger you need and a card with a description of how to connect that specific channel will appear. Let's consider an example. A client contacts the bot with a question about pricing. Instead of just answering, the bot can create a deal in the CRM. In the chatbot builder, we add the action element block: select, create a deal. The name can be set automatically, for example, new inquiry from user's name, with automatic addition of the user's name. We choose the desired pipeline and the first stage. Now every client inquiry becomes an automatically created deal. The bot can not only create deals but also collect data. You can ask the client to leave a phone number. The bot will save this data, and it will automatically be pulled into the contact card in the CRM. The manager doesn't need to ask the client again. All the information will already be right there. This is ideal for signing up for webinars or events. The bot collects information and creates a deal in the CRM, which acts as a trigger for sending an email confirmation and an event reminder via web push in the Automation 360 service. Everything is automated. Or another scenario: after the bot provides the client with information, it asks if they need a manager's consultation. If the client clicks "Yes, I do," the bot automatically changes the status of the current deal in the CRM. In the button settings, we add the Change Deal Status action and move it to the appropriate stage in your pipeline. For example, manager consultation. Integrating chatbots with the CRM means an immediate response to every inquiry, full automation of routine tasks, and as a result, a significant increase in your sales.